Hello stock stalkers, welcome back to the channel. In my last video we discussed how other markets like Saudi and USA market is just taking a pause near the previous candle's close. We are seeing similar kind of reaction in our market as well. By the way, I am on the daily chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Index and we are seeing market taking a pause near the previous candle's close. Today we saw some selling pressure, but the best part is it recovered and it has closed at 9,479 points. Well, nothing bullish about it, but the good part is market is recovering. Well, we can see a drop to the downside, a small pause and again drop to the downside. This is today's low, and from here we can expect some recovery coming in. Well, any move to the upside should not be considered bullish. There are good chances it may go up, hit the resistance and then again go sideways, or it may even come down. So we really don't know what exactly will happen till the time market clears all the resistance areas. That is, if it is dropping to the downside till here, it will hit the resistance and then maybe a correction if it crosses all these three resistance areas, that is 9650 area, then we have 9690, then we have 9725 area. If all these checks are done and market closes above this area this week or coming week, whenever, that's the time we can call market has recovered completely and now it's bullish again. For now, as I mentioned in my last video, supports are already identified, and just in case if you have missed that video, please watch it. I will provide an iCard right at the top so that you can understand how we have identified these support areas, just in case if market comes down, how the market will react. Well, since market has taken a pause, so let's identify our next immediate resistance areas as well. Well, for now this is a resistance area, that is 9563. Well, as we saw the drop to the downside, and now when the market recovers it will hit the resistance areas. So first hurdle is at 9560 area, and then 9600 is also resistance zone. Obviously major one for now is this area, that is 9650 area. So when the market goes up, all the previous support areas will act as resistance. It will hit, come down, or it may even go sideways and then finally break to the upside. So this is the process that market has to go when the market wants to recover. So this was on the daily chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange Index. Let's also check out Dubai Financial Market Index. And this is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. We are seeing similar kind of reaction, but here we are seeing a bit of pressure. We are not seeing much of recovery as we saw in ADX index. Last closing is at 3943, and as I mentioned, if market wants to come down, these are the supports that I have identified right here: 3900, 3845 and then 3800 area. Well, let's see if market goes up tomorrow, where will the resistance be? Well, immediate resistance for now is right here at 3975 area. Hopefully market should pick up after this drop to the downside. This will act as resistance. Then we have psychology resistance at 4000, and obviously this is a tough nut to crack, that is at 4030 area. Remember previously I have been mentioning this is a strong support area. Why is it? We are seeing strong bounces. Whenever market came into this zone, we saw market going up, and the same zone will now act as a resistance. Maybe it will drop to the downside for a correction and then goes up, or there are chances it can take a pause just near the resistance area and then make a move to the upside. For now, obviously market is not bullish. Market is trying to be in recovery phase. After this drop to the downside, let's see how much market can recover this week. I want to see market above this area, that is 4030 points, in order to call it bullish again. For now it's still in bear territory. First test will be once we clear this area, that is 4030, and then once we clear this area, that is 4100 points, we will easily get indication that now bulls are ready to take the market up again. Till that time it can be this scenario as well: selling pressure, that is a impulse phase, and then maybe a small move to the upside. This will be just a correction phase, and then it can even come lower. Hopefully we don't see this scenario. and I'm expecting a positive recovery within this week itself. So guys, if this video was helpful and if you have learned something, as usual, support the channel, smash that like button, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.